Our next topic is oogenesis. Oogenesis is the female version of gametogenesis. It means the production of ova. Oo is taken from ova. Ova means eggs. The singular of ova is ovum. The production of eggs in females is called oogenesis. The process of oogenesis is different from the process of spermatogenesis in males, which means the production of sperms. Because the production of eggs or ova means the oogenesis starts in females before the birth of a female. Before a baby girl is born, the process of oogenesis has been started in her, and there are millions of the eggs produced already. But these are not mature and have to undergo meiosis too to get mature, which in turn results in just 40,000 ova, which are also degraded throughout the life of a female, and just one active egg is produced at the end of the process of oogenesis, as compared to in males, which produce 4 gametes, 4 sperms. Females produce just 1 egg per 1 oogenesis. To understand the process, we will discuss in detail. The process of oogenesis in females takes place in female gonads, in female sex organs, which are called ovaries. Usually females have 2 ovaries, one on the right side in the abdomen and the other on the left side. Ovaries are the production houses of eggs. Oogenesis takes place in ovaries. In the ovaries, there are specialized cells present which are called follicles. These follicles are diploid. They undergo repeated mitosis to produce many oogonia. Because oogonia are produced by mitosis, they are also diploid. In the oogonia, some of the oogonia divide repeatedly again to produce primary oocytes, which are again diploid because they are the product of mitosis. Now, in the primary oocyte, there is no more mitosis but meiosis 1. A single primary oocyte undergoes meiosis 1 and produce one smaller cell, that is called first polar body, and one larger cell, that is called secondary oocyte. The oocyte is also haploid because these are the product of meiosis 1. Usually, first polar body destroys or degenerates on its own. It has no function. But this secondary oocyte undergoes meiosis 2 and it produces 2 cells. Secondary oocyte produces one egg cell or ovum and second polar body, or secondary polar body. These polar bodies are wasted and just this one active gamete called egg is functional. So in the end of oogenesis in females, just one egg is produced and In the process of spermatogenesis in males, 4 sperms are produced. Because sperms have to travel to this one egg, that is why they are required to be produced in a large number. Just one egg unites with sperm to produce zygote, and this process is called fertilization.